If you've ever ended up with an M4V video file and struggled to play it on certain devices, don't worry. There's a simple fix. Today, you'll learn how to quickly change an M4V container to an MP4 using Handbrake without affecting the quality of your video. Let's begin by opening Handbrake on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, visit the official Handbrake website and download the version compatible with your operating system. It's completely free and easy to set up. Once installed, launch the program and you'll see a clean, user-friendly interface designed for fast and efficient video conversions. Now, let's import your file. Click the Open Source button at the top left of the window. A file explorer will open. Here, locate and select your M4V video. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the file directly into the Handbrake window, which is a faster way to load your video. Once the file is imported, Handbrake will scan it and display key details such as duration and format. Next, head over to the Summary tab. This is where you'll change the container type. Under the Format drop-down menu, select MP4. This single step converts your file's container from M4V to MP4, keeping the same video and audio data but packaging it in a more widely compatible format. MP4 files work seamlessly on almost any device, platform, or media player, making it the best choice for everyday use. Before you start converting, it's a good idea to check out the presets panel on the right side of the screen. Handbrake includes presets optimized for different devices and quality levels. If you're targeting a specific platform, like YouTube, mobile, or web playback, choosing a preset ensures the video will look and perform its best without extra tweaking. Once everything is set, you can specify where you'd like to save your converted video. Click the Browse button at the bottom of the window, choose a destination folder, and give your file a recognizable name. This makes it easy to locate after conversion. Now you're ready to begin. Click the Start Encode button located at the top of the interface. Handbrake will begin processing your video, converting it from M4V to MP4. The time required will depend on your system's performance and the video's length, but the process is generally quick and efficient. When the encoding is complete, you'll receive a confirmation that your conversion is done. Navigate to the destination folder you selected earlier, and you'll find your new P4 file ready to use. It contains the same content as your original M4V, but now it's in a format that's far more flexible and supported across nearly all media devices. And that's it. You've successfully changed your video's container from M4V to MP4 using Handbrake. This quick method ensures your videos stay high quality, universally compatible, and easy to manage. Thanks for watching. Now that you know how to switch formats effortlessly, you'll never have to deal with playback issues again. Keep exploring Handbrake. It's a powerful tool that can make all your video conversions smooth and simple.